Good morning, good morning, good morning. So it's Monday morning and we're off. I think we're going to vlog for this week, right?
Yes.
If you're new here, welcome.
I'm Joe.
Oh, I'm Lisa. If you're not new, well, welcome back.
Our blog, by the way, is at joelisa.com.
Yes.
I'll put it here on the screen.
Right, today we're going to do a couple of things on the road first before we come back home. So we have to pick up our train ticket for our holiday.
I have a parcel that I need to return as well. I bought this suit for my son. When it came, a little child's suit.
And he's 22.
Yeah, and they're offering me 10% back. And I have to keep the suit. No way. What would I do with it?
Yeah.
So no, I'm returning it.
And then we might need to go, well, not need to, but we might go into a few shops, especially since things are opening up a little bit more. We are not in need of anything, so maybe that's not even a good idea. But we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. Catch you later. So Jo has gone in to get her parcel. Well, not to get, to return a parcel. So what shall you and I discuss together today? I have 2 masks on because I just want to be extra careful. I have had the 2 vaccines now. I've had the Pfizer jab. I've had Pfizer jab 1 and Pfizer jab 2.0. I'm glad that I have had them. But I'm still anxious because of the new variants that they say are around. Because I'm hearing something like if you have had the jab, then it protects you against the original COVID-19. But they're thinking that perhaps it might not give you as much protection against the new variants. So I'm really just extra careful because I do not want to have COVID. Fat and juicy. And to me, when I see especially in the first lockdown, and they showed what was happening in the hospitals, those who were dying to me seemed like those who were fat. And I accept I'm fat. I know some people think, oh, you say you're fat, you call yourself. Yes, I am fat. I don't have a problem saying I am fat. So I wear 2 masks because I want to be extra careful. So I have this one on, and then I take it to the back of my neck and I wear a little crochet thing that I made with 2 buttons on. So instead of my ears being sore with the mask string, I put that behind my neck and put the string on that. And then this one is quite loose. The black one is quite loose over the ear, so it's not too tight so it doesn't squeeze so much. But anyway, I hope you're having a fabulous day so far. It's quite sunny now. We expect rain tomorrow. Sorry for some of you that I bore talking about rain, talking about the weather, but that's what it's like in Britain. That's just one of the things in Britain. People often discuss the weather because usually it's cold, very cold, or wet. But today the sun is shining so far and it's going to be a lovely day, I think. Joe is back. So now we're going to head off to the train station. So see you when we get there. so much. In the car now, we've got our tickets. And you know what I said earlier on, that it was hot and sunny and really a nice day, and that I'm sorry if I bore some of you, because British people just love to talk about the weather because it just changes in. Well, I have something to show you. Yeah, just like that. So in less than 10 minutes
It's changed.
so it was sunny and
skies.
nice blue skies, and now there's rain. Anyway, we have decided against going into any shop because there's nothing that we need. We have a grocery order coming on Sunday, so anything that we need will wait until then. There's nothing that we need urgently that we must have before Sunday, so
we have work to do.
right, so it's best to go home, get our heads down, get what we have to do done, and then we'll see you later. Okay, so now we're outside Julian's school because she finishes, well, not all the time, but today she finishes early, so we've decided to pick her up. And if we don't get to go to our usual Wednesday day date, then this might be it, because Wednesday I think we're all three of us going to be very busy. Yeah, we have a lot on. And I think she has 2 appointments on Wednesday as well. So we're just going to go pick up maybe a drink or so at McDonald's, and then that might be it for our day date. We try to have a weekly day date, but this might be it. Yeah. So we're just outside her school waiting now for her to come in. It's strange that already 6th form is finished. She hasn't had much 6th form at all because all of 2020 was locked down. Yeah. So not much of it. And she's here. So say hi.
Hi.
Right. So let's go to Fanta. No, sorry. Pepsi. No, Diet Coke. Diet Coke, yeah. No,
Diet Coke.
1 Diet Coke.
Yeah.
And 1 no, Sprite.
Yeah.
And 1 apple pie.
Anything else, my love?
No, that's it, thank you.
Next window then, please.
Thank you.
Can you get sweet and sour sauce, please?
Thank you. Something burning, you know? It smells like something burning. I think McDonald's is on fire. Sweet and sour sauce. Can I have mine too, please? Should I give him the ginger? It's time McDonald's start serving metal straws as well, you know.
You're
Camera up on Julian. Hi.
This is why when I drive, you're not going anywhere in the car with me. Unless I'm driving you to the hospital, you're not coming in my car.
So I can't go to the hospital for my diabetic checkup. Yeah. 1 sec.
I'm going to break your foot.
Break my foot as well. They want me to blow my hand. Beep, not blow.
You're so impatient.
were there busy working, and then the uni girl called to say that she had received the package that we sent for her last week. So she wanted to share with us her excitement. She was very grateful, like we were when we went to uni and our mom sent something or brought something for us. So we chatted with her for a bit, and then she showed us her haul because she had went to Primark and some other stores.
So it's raining like cats and dogs. Puss and dog fighting the heaven. Right, so Julian has just called to say, can we please pick her up from school?
Yeah.
School is really walking distance home, but it's raining really hard.
Yeah.
So we're going to
make
a quick trip. It's quite close. It will be longer for us to drive around than for her to walk over.
Yeah.
But because it's raining, we'll go pick her up. All right, which day is it today? Tuesday. Yeah. It's Tuesday. See you in a bit. This is the vibes today, guys. Rain, rain, rain. And this morning it was sunny. This morning, bright sunshine. Now, rain. Anyway, waiting on the girlie to come out. You remember St. Jago days? Yes. If rain start fall hard, we live in Linstead, but we had to go to school in Spanish Town. So if rain start fall hard and they say Flatbridge through black, everybody who have to pass Flatbridge to go home get to go home early. Yes, those are the days. Yeah, and then nice. if you didn't spend your lunch money yet, you go to patty shop. Yeah. Plus some of the bus drivers used to come right down to the school because they know the rope. Yeah. And know say once Flatbridge through black, St. Jago students, maybe St. Catherine too. Yeah, get to go home. Those were the days. Yeah. Come on, Julian. And here she is, wet rat. We are take this thing for stay at school. How come it's not even 2 o'clock yet?
I don't have any lessons.
Anyway, days of our lives. This is what it is like in the day. This child bothering me to come pick her up. Pick her up. I finished early. Can you pick me up? Pick me up. It's raining, can you pick me up? Pick up. And then you know what she said yesterday? She's not even giving me a drive in her car when she has a car because I'm too annoying. Tell her to say sorry to me. Yes, tell her in the currents. Right, let's go. So we stopped at the shop. Because we are both thirsty. Lisa wants a drink and a cheese tricks that she's addicted to. And I want a slush puppy. It's raining, slush yes? Ice. Slush ice puppy, whatever. Yeah, it's not cold, it's just rainy. Yeah. So, Julian gone in to get those. Do you like slush ice? Tell us. You remember Kisco? Yeah, and King Kong. King Kong. Oh yeah, and the 2-side one with 2 sides, ice and something for 2 sides. Those were the days. You remember Sky Juice? Yeah. Share ice one. Shave ice. Snow cone. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm waiting at the train station to pick up my girlie. I was talking to her last night. She's at uni. She's 20, but she was saying she feels a bit homesick. You know. The home comforts I suppose she's missing because she's just stuck in her room. She is not able to go to classes on the campus, so to interact with others, all of that is gone. Even with group tasks, they have to be in their own separate rooms doing it. So I told her to come home, so she's on her way now on the train. So I'm hoping to pick her up, feed her up for the weekend, give her some nice home comforts, some comforting food. Joe is doing breakfast. We might have a curry later. Don't know. But we'll let you see. But it's just time to be home. Hiya. So Lisa is going to pick up the uni girl, and I'm busy making fried dumplings and corned beef. I think that's our favorite for breakfast, one of our favorites. So I'll get it ready. Hopefully Lisa will have some footage of her. She's picking her up now at the train station. See you soon. I can see her coming now. So the uni girl is on her way home. Hi. You alright?
Yeah.
So where's the mask? Oh, okay.
Just put it down.
Alright.
You got hand sanitizer?
Yeah. Oh. The journey was alright though.
Yeah, it went fast. When I booked my ticket, it said like the train that I had to get from New Street to Ardington was at 1:45.
Yeah.
That was like half an hour after. So I'd be waiting in the station for half an hour. I was thinking,
Yeah.
surely there's got to be one before that.
Earlier one.
And there was.
Okay. Right, so she's here, so we're going to head back home now for breakfast.
Yay. Is this new? This is nice.
We know. So this is what we're having. Fried dumplings. Some people having sardines. And some of us are having sardines. So that's dumpling and corned beef, sardines. Honey in 1 cup. Sweetener. And sweetener in the other for ginger tea. Yeah. Yeah.
You want to show me?
So Shirley's going to try the, what's it called?
Coconut Little Moons.
Little Moons.
This is my first time trying them because they've always been out of stock. But I don't like coconut flavour, so we'll see how this goes. Also, they're a little bit hard.
It is recommended that they be outside of the freezer for a little. Not completely thawed, but just to be not so tough.
The
not
inside
so
is soft though, not sure. I know.
Scale of 1 to 10.
I would give it a 4. But like maybe in a different flavour I'd like it more. But also the outside has a weird texture.
Yeah.
But nice to try.
Okay. So I'm pleased to say she's feeling much better now. She had a lovely Sunday roast and a good catch up with her friends. So she's much better now. Thank you so much for tuning into the vlog this week. It has been great to have you here. I hope it has been insightful to see just a little bit of our lives each week. We're going to leave you now with just the haul of our groceries that we have for a month. So we still, since Corona, we have ordered grocery online, and we still have continued to order groceries online and then have it delivered to the house. So we set them out just like this, on the table, on the countertops, and then we clean them down. Everything gets a proper wipe down before they're transferred into the fridge, the freezer, and the pantry. Is there anything that catches your eye? Anything that you like? Anything from here that you'd love? Those planters I bought because I want to transplant some plants to give to my neighbors and friends. And there are some swaps here. Some things.
Seed swaps.
Some things that we've got instead of what we ordered. Some substitutes or alternatives. So, but what I like is that if you don't like what you have got,
what they've given you as a substitute, you can ask for a refund. So if it's definitely not suitable, we'll return it and ask for a refund, and I really like that. For example, we wanted cinnamon and instead we got mixed spice. We have a lot of mixed spice already. We wanted, my daughter likes chicken gyoza or even the vegetable gyoza. They sent prawn gyoza, and we don't eat prawns. But anyway, it's been great to have you here with us this week, as I've said before. Please do give this video a thumbs up, and remember to share it with your friends if you think our content is something they'd be interested in. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. Thanks, and have a great week.